Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to start the restoration on our 67 Beetle here. Milo, that's his name. Doesn't look like he's in too bad a shape. Should be a easy restoration, but he looks pretty decent. But the customer wants some taken apart, every nut and bolt, so he's been sitting outside here since about end of November. It's currently 5 degrees. He did run, so let's see if he starts to get him into the shop. That's why he was revving so bad back then. Alright, let's see what happens. The battery's going to be charged. Seems like the timing is a little bit advanced here, the way it's hitting so hard. Oh, if this is loose. Yep, distributor's loose. Let's back it up a little bit. Bad. The fast idle for the choke is flipping over. I'm gonna go get a broom and knock some of the snow off the top. Ta-da! So this is what we have. Looks to be a fairly solid car. So we're going to let him unthaw here a little bit, and we'll keep you up to date with our progress as our other employee over there, Chris, will start taking them apart. She don't like the camera, so, but tough, right? All right, bye. All right, everyone. Milo's unthawed. Gave him some time to unthaw here, and he's going to start getting his tear down. Overall, he is, a lot of people have looked at him and said, how come you're restoring him? That's what the customer wants, I guess. He is in very good shape. Been a paint job. Well, we can't even get in our door right now. There we go. You know, he just wants them to be fresh, but he wants a body off, every nut and bolt type restoration. So this is what we all have. The motor runs, as you know, when we brought it in, but it is not the correct engine for a 67, so we've got an HO case that we're going to rebuild for it. Very little rust. It's probably hard for you guys to see, but that's all original in there. So this should be relatively easy restoration. So that's about what we have. Chris over here is going to start tearing into him. Actually, her nickname is Picker. So she's gonna start doing that with the lights and everything like that. And then I'm gonna come in and I'll do some videos, show you how to take doors apart, and we're gonna try to do step by step on everything. So we'll bring you back as we start doing some more stuff, okay?